Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Technical Knowledge with Engineers. Today we are going to see 25 most important MCQs for university exam. Semester 1 of Subject Applied Physics Unit number 6, Electron Optics Part 2. 26th question. In a Bainbridge mass spectrography, E equals to 8 into 10 to the power 4 V by M. The magnetic field is common to both is 0.55 Weber per meter square. The mass of the neon isotopes are 20 and 22. Calculate linear separation. Given charge Q equals to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 C. 1 AMU equals to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Option A 15 mm, option B 11 mm, option C 9 mm, option D 21 mm. Correct option is B 11 mm. Next question 27. In Bainbridge mass spectrography, a potential difference of 1000 V is applied between two plates separated by 1 centimeter and magnetic field B equals to 1 T. The velocity of undeflected positive ions in meter per second from the velocity selector is option A 10 to the power 7 meter per second, option B 10 to the power 4 meter per second, option C 10 to the power 5 meter per second, option D 10 to the power 2 meter per second, and correct option is C 10 to the power 5 meter per second. Next question 28. In Bainbridge mass spectrography, singly ionized atom of neon-20 passes into analyzing chamber having uniform magnetic field B equals to 0.07 Weber per meter square. Determine the radius of the path. V equals to 10 to the power 3 meter per second. Given charge Q equals to 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 C. 1 AMU equals to 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Option A 0.92 mm, option B 1.52 mm, option C 1.92 mm, option D 2.97 mm, and correct option is D 2.97 mm. Next question 29th. Electron accelerated by potential difference of 250 V enter the electric field at an angle incident of 50 degree and get refracted through an angle 30 degree. Find the potential of second region. Option A 586.75 V, option B 58.67 V, option C 5.867 V, option D 0.0587 V, and correct answer is A 586.75 V. Next question 30. An electron beam passes through a magnetic field of 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 T and electric field 3.4 into 10 to the power 4 V by M, both acting simultaneously at the same point. Path of electron remains unchanged. Calculate electron speed. Option A 1.7 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. Option B 1.9 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Option B is 2 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. Option D is none of the above. And the correct answer is option A 1.7 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. Next question 31st. Horizontal deflection plates are also called as option A Y plates, option B X plates, option C XY plates, option D none of this. And the correct option is X plates. Next question 32. The function of electron gun is to produce option A poorly focused, option B sharp electron beam, option C any type of beam, option D both B and C, and the correct option is sharp electron beam. Next question 33. The synchronization condition is given by T sweep. Option A T sweep equals to N T signal, option B T signal equals to N T sweep, option C equals to T signal equals to T sweep by N, option D N by T signal equals to T sweep, and the correct option is A T sweep equals to N into T signal. Next question 34. It is possible to display the voltage waveform on the CRO screen without time-based generator? Option A possible, option B not possible, option C maybe, option D both A and C. And correct option is not possible. Next question 35th. Heart of CRO is option A CRT, option B trigger circuit, option C low voltage power supply, option D vertical amplifier. Option A is correct, CRT. Next question 36. Which part of CRT is used for visual representation of signals? Option A electron gun, option B deflection system, option C fluorescent screen, option D time based generator. And correct option is fluorescent screen. 37th. A charged particle moves with velocity v in parallel magnetic field B. Then force acting on the charged particle is option A BeV, option B EV, option C 0, option D BeV sin theta. Option C is correct, 0. 38. To get a steady or stable wave pattern on the CRO screen, which circuits is used? Option A delay line, option B vertical amplifier, option C trigger circuit, option D time based circuit. Option C is correct, trigger circuit. Next, 39. The intensity of electron beam is controlled by which part of CRT? Option A focusing anode, option B X-plate, option C aqueduct coating, option D control gate. Correct option is control gate. Next 40. The trajectory of an electron under the influence of a uniform magnetic field when it is injected in a perpendicular direction to the magnetic field is option A circular, option B helix, option C linear, option D parabolic. Option A circular is correct. Next 41. The interior part of CRT screen is coated with which material? Option A phosphorus, option B no coating, option C zinc oxide, option D plastic coating. Option A is correct, phosphorus. Next 42. An electric field having the same intensity and same direction at every point in a region is called option A non-uniform electric field, option B homogeneous electric field, option C uniform electric field, option D both B and C. And the option D is correct, both B and C. Next 43. Function of delay line in CRO is to option A produce delay in electron reaching screen, option B produce required delay in horizontal signal reaching screen, option C produce required delay in vertical signal reaching screen, option D none of these. Option C is correct, produce required delay in vertical signal reaching screen. Next 44. Electron beam can be focused with the help of option A trigger circuit, option B aqueduct coating, option C control grid, option D focusing anode. Option D is correct, focusing anode. Next 45. Lorentz force is option A vector sum of electrostatics and magnetic force acting on moving charged particles. Option B vector sum of gravitational and magnetic force acting on moving charged particles. Option C magnetic force acting on moving charged particle. Option D electric force acting on moving charged particle. Option A is correct. Vector sum of electrostatics and magnetic force acting on moving charged particles. Next 46. An electron starts from rest and moves freely in an electric field of intensity 15,000 V by m. Determine force on electron. Option A 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 16 N. Option B 3.5 into 10 to the power minus 16 N. Option C 3.5 into 10 to the power 14 N. Option D 2.64 into 10 to the power 14 N. And the correct answer is option A 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 16 N. Next 47. In Bainbridge mass spectrography, magnetic field B equals to 1.0 T and ions having speed of 4 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. What should be the electric field between the plates of velocity selector? Option A 3 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Option B 4 into 10 to the power 5 meter per second. Option C 4 into 10 to the power 6 meter per second. Option D 2 into 10 to the power 4 meter per second. Option C is correct, 4 into 10 to the power C meter per second. Next, 48. In Greenwich mass spectrography, the isotopes of masses are 116, 117, 118, 119, and 120 U. The electric and magnetic fields are E equals to 20 kV by M and B equals to 0.25 T. Find the spacing between the lines 116 and 120. Determine the radius of the path. V equals to 10 to the power 3 meter per second. Option A 2.7 centimeter. Option B 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Option C 2.7 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Option D 2.7 mm. Option A is correct, 2.7 centimeter. Next, 49. Momentum selector in BMS deploys. Option A crossed electricity and magnetic field. Option B only uniform magnetic field. Option C only electric field. Option D non uniform electric field. And the option correct is B only uniform magnetic field. Next, 50. An electron beam passes through a region of potential 75 V into a region of potential 100 V, making an angle of 45 degree with direction of electric field. Find the angle through which beams refracts. Option A 37.76 degree. Option B 35.76 degree. Option C 1.9 degree. Option D 22.1 degree. And correct option is A 37.76 degree. Thank you for watching video.